Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You like me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be heading out. Yep, y'all guessed it. We're gonna be heading out to Sacramento. We're gonna be going over to Cody's and we're about to be getting a little update and checking on the Turbo Silverado. So yesterday he was knocking out the rear end, cow tracks are in. I think he just needs to put the new rear shocks in. I think today the plan is to finish up the bed exit exhaust and a few other things. I gotta see once we get there. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So we're gonna be heading out to Cody's in a second. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Hurting.
Why you hurting?
Because I fell.
Who fault is that?
Yours.
It wasn't. How is it my fault? You wasn't even at my house.
Cause that's why. Because you said you're going to fall because you're not here.
So you lying on me?
Why not?
Yeah, she went and did something and fell over when she was at her sister's house. You know you a tumbleweed. You need to stop tumbling everywhere. Falling over. You too heavy for people to be picking up.
Well, Kirky did it.
You know what we're gonna do? I think from now on we're gonna start doing this drill with Granny where I put her on the ground, then she gotta try to figure out how to get up.
Don't do me like that.
Yeah, just lay you on the ground on your back and you gotta figure out how to get up. You gotta crawl to the couch and roll up there.
Nos and Kimber helped me.
Alright, man, so yeah, let's get ready to head out to our boy Cody Boas shop. Damn. That carbon fiber. So y'all already know we're gonna be taking the daily, which is the supercharged C6. For those that didn't see the last video, my supercharged C5 is home. And then the broken side of the driveway, the cars that don't run currently. Minus the FD runs. Alright, man, so we're just getting here to Cody's. Dude, check this out. This thing is getting 28 miles per gallon, bruh. Drove all the way from my house to Sac, and it barely used an eighth of a tank. Like, not even a full eighth of a tank. Like, that is crazy. Like, this thing gets probably double the gas mileage of the LSA 350Z. It's crazy how good the gas mileage is now. It gets better gas mileage supercharged than it did when it was NA. Crazy. All of a sudden, Cody got trucks on trucks. You got this turbo truck here, then this turbo truck right here. This thing's boosted also. Nice. And then we got my truck right here, getting closer and closer to being done. So we'll lift this thing up in a second, show you some of the stuff that you guys didn't see, some of the work that transpired on this thing. Cody!
Man, we starting the day off good today. Starting the day off good. I started putting the grill back on, you know, doing your thing. Where's the pan leak?
He fixed his little leak.
Yep, had to fix a leak. Anyway, we get
That crossover right here.
Yep. We get the exhaust. Look at them welds. Anyway, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to finish this up. Put this up right here to where it doesn't hit. And then do a bed exit. We got these on.
Oh yeah, my cow tracks.
We got your rear end in. I actually have to fill it up with fluid right now. So
yeah,
that's what I'm going to do right now. I had to hollow these out. This inside is a fucking nightmare.
Yep, these got done yesterday.
Yep.
So no wheel hop now.
Cal trackies. This was fucking bent like no tomorrow, so I had to bend this shit back. Sorry for the language again. Beep, 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 beep. You know, that's what it was, but I bent those back, got them all to where it was sitting right, tightened everything up. Only thing that isn't tight are these right here. So these are just the adjustments.
And then these are this right here, my new rear end.
373.
Yep. Finally we got some posi now.
So this is called the G80 rear end, I guess, is what all the truck people know this rear end as a G80. So kind of like the BMW M4 or whatever they call it.
I don't know, BMW.
Shit. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So we got G80 on there. I got to bleed the brakes, and yeah, that's it. So this baby's ready to go. So we got to do bed exit, bleed the brakes. What else we got? I'm gonna top off training fluid. Top off all our fluids.
So I ain't gonna have no wheel hop no more?
You shouldn't, in theory. In theory, you shouldn't. So, and you should be able to do 2 tire burnouts instead of just this side. But I bought some fluid for it. Hopefully everything goes good, and we'll just keep on continuing on with the day. So anyway, hopefully you like my install.
Yeah, looks good. Dude,
this right here, when you do this bracket over here, the drop down, there is no room to get up in there. It was a nightmare. So, but yeah.
You see how I don't bother you too much. You kind of gained my trust, so now I kind of just like, I'll let you do you.
I know, it's kind of nice.
Fuck you.
Mike's not all up in the face like this. So, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, no, I appreciate you though. I really do. So you a cool cat for sure.
I love you too.
Hey, it's all good. Are we gonna have a romantic moment now?
You want a hug? So we're running under leaf spring right here, right? So we're gonna try to get, I guess, between this.
So my plan here is to go right here. So I don't know how low the truck is gonna actually be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically come up right here, and then do like a dip down right here, and then try to follow this and go right there. I think that's where we're gonna be. Problem that I'm kind of seeing, I see it, but you might not, is with that big ass Y pipe, we're gonna have like this much to mess with. And I don't know if we go too far forward, it might not look good. If we go too far back, it might not look good. So we're gonna try and center it the best we can.
I mean, where's the Y pipe at?
It's in the office.
I feel like that's gonna be. We gotta get as much as the Y in here. That way, only the 3.5 inch comes out right here, right?
I mean, dude, this motherfucker big. So this thing is pretty big.
That's what she said.
See? And then
Ooh.
You know what I'm saying? Like it might hang down too low. So that's kind of where we're at. I mean, I can make a 3.5 Y pipe. It's just this is gonna be. I mean, that's our clearance right here. So
what about clearance up here if we do it closer this way?
Which way?
In front of the rear tire.
See, what I was thinking was come back like back here somewhere.
And then just make 2 tips.
And then just make, basically, yeah, try and make like the 2 4-inch come in through there.
I mean, we can, because we still got to get these. We got to get these closer anyway.
Yeah. So I think we can do that with, we'll see how it comes out. That's just kind of where I'm at.
If we do it this way, will the Y pipe fit in here somewhere? That's probably even worse.
No, there's no way.
There's way worse.
With all this contraption, the bars and stuff in the way, there's no way. So, I mean, we could do a single, but
nah,
we'll not do that.
I mean, if we, man,
I mean, worst case,
if we do a single, if we using this Y pipe and it's coming right over here.
Why not go one there, one there?
That's what I was about to get to.
Let's just do that.
Right.
And then we just buy the little O-ring, like the.
I have it. Remember, I brought it.
You got those singles though, right?
Yeah, 4-inch single.
Do you have another one?
Or it's a 4.5. I have 2 of them.
You have a 4.5.
I got 4.5, so we could fit 4-inch piping through there.
I wonder where those went. I think you took them with you.
They're probably at my house.
Yeah,
I could find them.
If we did that, we could put this bitch right. Sorry for man, I'm on.
Man, kid friendly, man.
I am on one today, so we're just gonna say beep. So anyway, we put this beep right here, and then basically right there, and then go over and out that side.
Man, that works too.
I mean, that would be cool. Or
man, we ain't doing no center exit.
we just do the,
Get out of here.
we do the old center McGee.
Get
quad
out of
tip.
here.
You know what I'm
No.
saying? Man, hey, got to keep it Corvette friendly around here.
It's gonna really look like a cook truck.
I mean, you know, you got
It's
the
hey, fool, it's
center
the-
tips on the 350. Now you got the center tips.
Yeah,
you
but
know,
that's different. That's
Eventually,
that's
they're
like
gonna be
Porsche
center-
style.
They're gonna be center tips on the.
It's gonna go from the.
ZX.
This is gonna go from
Then
the
on the
turbo.
SC.
It's gonna go from the Turborado to the Veterado.
I mean, the Colorado, you know, it'll be good. So we'll be partying right here, but we'll figure it out once we get to here. I think it's up to you though. It's up to you. It's really at the end of the day, this is your build. I want you to be as happy as possible. So that's where we're at.
Well, that little stupid clamp thing was like $80 for that little plastic or that little metal dual thing.
So we'll do our best to get out this side. So I know where we're at on this big thing, and yeah,
it's gonna be a struggle.
we gonna be in for one today. So, but I think we'll be all right.
Oh, you're the fab guy.
Hey, I ain't scheduled nothing until this thing's done.
Make it work.
Oh, we're gonna put it like right here.
Look at them rainbow welds.
Yeah, you like those? I like those. I did my best not
know.
to mess up.
I'm telling you,
I know
this
was gonna be
looks good. I'm picky on welds, man.
I know. Look at these. Like, this was the one mess up spot right here. But I mean, I still tried to make that shit look good. You know, I did a little. You know.
Yeah, it looks good.
So, I know how you are.
I'm like anal on welds.
Oh, I know. I seen all the videos. Yo, oh hell no! Grind that back out. Redo it. I already know. So, and I put the grill on. I just set it on there temporary. We gotta trim out that the block valve spot. So we're gonna pull the block valve off and then trim that out real quick. I mean, other than that, dude, this thing is looking good.
It is. Everybody keeps saying do the HD grill. It's like, bro, I like it like this.
I mean,
but
honestly,
I do have the Tahoe Valence that I'm gonna have works do.
I look at like the HD grills, and then I look at this grill, and I'm kind of leaning towards this grill now.
I like it.
Just because it's more, I feel like it's more open-ish.
It looks more trucky, I think.
Yeah. And I mean, this front end did grow on me. Now that I look at that front,
I don't like the cat eye.
I look at this and I go,
It's
man.
the Zinky versus Kooky.
I mean, I have a Zinky too, so you know.
Yeah, I like this. I don't know. It just looks more trucky. I don't want a truck that looks like a S14 from the front.
Yeah, you don't want to look like everybody else. So, I mean, don't get me wrong.
Like it's a good looking truck for sure.
This is a beautiful truck, but definitely, the more I look at it, it's like, okay, this truck looks more aggressive. This one kind of looks like the truck you take out on the weekends every now and then. So, this 6-speed or 5-speed truck too.
It's clean. 6-speed.
Yep. Yeah, we need to do a cam here.
Shut up. You don't want to do a cam.
Hey, people started talking to me and I got nervous.
Too late. It's over.
It's okay. We'll do it on 6-0.
Alright, so a few hours went by. Me and Cody was on the road for a minute. Went and got some food.
Lunch break.
Like 2-hour lunch break.
2-hour lunch break. Let's be honest, it was a 3-hour lunch break.
Now we're getting ready to finish this exhaust up. Gonna figure out how we gonna do this thing. I still think I want to get the dual tips, but whew, it's gonna be tricky getting them things through here.
It's gonna be alright.
We'll see how it goes.
It's gonna be alright.
Maybe I will put the other resonator in just to make it super quiet.
I mean, might as well.
I bought it. Shit.
I mean, if you already have it, use it.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens. So, I think you're gonna be alright.
Alright, so y'all kind of get the idea on what's going on here. So, unfortunately, I ordered the wrong shock. So, just had to place an order for another one. So, waiting for the new Beltec shock to get here. Guess there's like different mounts and all that crap. So, shut up.
It happens, man. It happens, okay?
It wasn't like the truck was going to be done this weekend anyway.
I mean,
It's going to be here for another 4 months.
It's gonna be here for 8 months now. See, we're getting somewhere now. Look at that. That's gonna look pretty goddamn nice. The only thing is, we gotta do a little doohickey at the end just to get it in there.
That's what she said.
Yep. Man, single or dual tip? That's kind of where we're at right now. Single tip would not be bad back there though.
Cody's just trying to figure out the easier way to do
I'm
it.
trying to figure out how we're gonna shove that big this thing, okay? This thing. So we can make this work. We good. We can make this work.
Boy, I think it's girthy.
I mean, I would have just did 3.5 together, but that's okay. So basically, we're gonna go somewhere right in here, and then go right through, and then basically into here.
We're gonna try to.
We're gonna try. We're gonna hope it works. So, I got faith. I got faith in this. Should be good. There's a lot going on in this thing. So, I mean, or you could do shotgun tips.
No, that's ugly.
Right here.
That is ugly.
Yeah, right here.
Nah, that's ugly.
Shotgun tips.
Like Yosemite Sam. Ugly. All right, we're still trying to figure this out. We currently got this resonator on. We're just gonna start this up and see how much louder or quieter it is now. So we're still trying to figure out what we want to do. This is, we might use this Y and do a center off each one. But I kind of want to do the duals, man. No center exit. Center exit. Right out the bedpan.
Yep. Just like the bed. Just like the bed.
You're killing me. Sounds the same. I don't know. Rev it up a little bit. Let me move over here. Think it's quieter? I don't know. I can't tell.
It sounds the same.
Yeah. I don't hear it.
Sounds the same to me. Sounds the same.
Yeah, that's
It honestly sounds. It's probably because now it's echoing off the wall, so it's gonna sound louder. So in that area.
Oh, well, that did nothing then.
We'll figure it out. Man, I'm kind of bummed out.
We just getting home. I must say today was very unproductive. We didn't really get nothing done today. So I'm gonna be going there tomorrow. We're gonna be figuring out the final situation with this exhaust and how we want to do it. So yeah, today was unproductive. We went and ate, and when we got back, he started working on another truck doing exhaust on there real fast, patching up something. And then I was indecisive on if I wanted to run that huge Y pipe. So I need to rethink this and see how I want this to go. So I'll be back at Cody's tomorrow, but yeah, we didn't get nothing done today. But yeah, anywho, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If not, my bad, I'm sorry. Until next time. Woo!
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck